Hi everyone, today I accompanied with my near and dear ones have been gathered in the village of Godaipur, which is on the outskirts of a small city called Raghunathganj in the district of Murshidabad, to have a glance of a year-old traditional idol of Devi Durga, which is popularly known as Ma Petkati. In the market of theme puja, while most of the puja committees are in a row of competition, Ma Petkati has been remained unchanged. It has been going on in the same traditional way, same place, same theme. Lots of people come here to worship the goddess. Common people have enthusiasm over the goddess of Ma Petkati. There is a fair ground at the side of the temple. It is a beautiful, very beautiful place. Lots of people come here to enjoy. Lots of people come here to for worshipping the goddess. There is a story behind the name of Ma Petkati. In some years ago, the Banerjee family has given the responsibility of worshipping the idol of Devi Durga in the hands of a poor Brahmin who had been living in this village with his wife and a teenage daughter. In the evening, while worshipping the goddess, his daughter has not been found. After lots of searching, the Brahmin was given a dream. In his dream, he was said that his daughter has been swallowed by Devi Durga, and on the following day, the stomach of the Devi Durga was cut, and his daughter, teenage daughter, was found dead inside the belly of Ma Petkati, and from then on, the name of Petkati was given. So don't forget to come here. Please come and have enjoy and must worship the goddess Jai Ma Petkati.